Hello guys, happy fiesta. This is our food today. Delicious. This is kare-kare. This is fish relleno fish. This is caldereta, Shanghai, chop suey, palabok, our rice, seafood shrimp, lasagna, and this is chicken carbonara mango, graham leche plan, and also coffee jelly and other jelly. Our fiesta food today in our home. Thank you for all watching our videos, and hope you like our videos. Thank you, and God bless us all.
Yan, ako sana yung aking... Oh, yan, isa lang. Isa, ayan na ulit. Hey! Happy Jogahan, happy Fiesta. Thank you for the
Salamat po sa inyo. Thank you. Kain na po tayo. Happy Fiesta. Bini dito, mag-lunch. Morning. Ganina na din ang banda.
Hindi ka makanak din ng kulaman.
Hindi nang may makakit. Sabi niya.
Thank you for the food.
Hello, Mai. Mars.
Hi! Happy Fiesta! Thanks for inviting us.
Yung isa nandoon pa. Sa labas ang iba.
See, malaman. Dahil
Yummy pizza.
Pumalis na iba. Dahil pumalis yung muna ibinibenta eh.
This is the family of Kim. Thank you all for watching. God bless us all. Happy Fiesta to all.